G'day, Matt from Millen Distributors, home of the Paint Shaver Pro, back with a new and innovative product, the Gel Peeler Pro. The Gel Peeler Pro is designed to remove gel coats from the bottom of boats. So if your boat has osmosis or your boat's been in an accident and needs repair, this is the tool for you. It will remove that gel coat quickly and all into a vacuum-based system so that it is low dust and low mess and really clean, and it'll get you back to a state where you can start applying your epoxies back over it. The gel peeler works on a 4-blade system. They're small square blades. They work at a very high speed. They're all offset and they just remove that gel coat very quickly and efficiently. Weighing just over 3 kilos, the tool is nice and light and can be used for long periods of time without user fatigue. The handles are adjustable completely through a 360 rotation, allowing the user to be at the best angle required when working on the bottom of a boat. Matt from Millen, the Gel Peeler Pro.